Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to add lights in Planet Zoo. If you're wondering if you could add lights in the game, like for example street lights for the paths and some wall lights inside habitats, it's very much possible. To do it, click on the construction button on the bottom center of your screen, and on the left category panel, click on Lights with the street lamp icon. You'll find different light sources there which you can build inside your zoo. If you want to light up your zoo's paths, add a street lamp, especially on areas where there are plenty of guests moving around. If you want lights inside your habitats, pick the wall lamp and attach it on habitat barriers while making some few adjustments. There are plenty of other light types you can add to your zoo to cater to your need, so take your time experimenting with your design to illuminate your zoo. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.